Good Sunday morning. Well, as promised, and as the description says, we're going to check out what is going on currently. There is, right as of right now, a possibility for severe weather today. Um, let's go ahead and check out the outlooks for today so you can see what is going on. So, here we go. As you can see, this is the risk for today. A slight risk across Texas, Oklahoma, and even stretching as far as into Kansas. But the greatest risk right now on what I'm looking at is going to be for Oklahoma. Um, I apologize about that. I'm working on a few kinks here. So basically, the risk for severe weather will be across much of Texas, Oklahoma today. It is a 5% chance across Texas and Oklahoma for a spin up, for a tornado, with a wind and hail threat also. Let's go ahead and check out what is going to happen or what is going on with. I'll try to give you guys a timing. Um, let's go try to give you guys an idea of when this stuff is actually going to happen. So as of right now, we'll go over to the R model. That is for yesterday. So for today, as you can see, there is a nice little line of convection right here. This is what's currently going on in the area. And this really depends on what's going to happen today, really depends on if this is able to push out quick enough and give the air the chance to destabilize again. Right now, I am seeing that it will push out and things will pop up around or just after lunchtime. We will get more storms, but it's really showing that it really wants to stay more linear, which means it'll be more of a wind and hail threat. But there is still a chance, if these storms could go discrete, that there will be a brief spin up somewhere there in Oklahoma. So just stay weather aware and stay tuned, because if this does actually happen, we will be going live for this one. Um, for tomorrow, there's again another risk for a severe weather, or there's another risk for severe weather in the same area, but this will stretch up into Kansas and Oklahoma. So we will go to that and look at the outlook for tomorrow here. So the outlook for tomorrow now, they have the National Weather Service has this at an enhanced risk for parts of eastern Oklahoma, northern Texas, and even parts of Arkansas, with a slight risk pretty much stretching all the way up into Missouri, Kansas, Nebraska, and even down into Texas there. But I'm going to I think we should more so worry about the enhanced risk right here. that is in Texas and Oklahoma. There is a 10% hash risk, which means, as you can see, the hash area is a 10% or greater probability of an EF2 to EF5, which means so there's a greater probability of a stronger tornado with a wind and hail threat for tomorrow as well. And then after that, I'm not seeing anything, but that's pretty much what we got for that. We are gonna. I do want to show you guys also what is going on in the tropics as of right now. There is a high 80% chance of forming here in the Antilles within the next 48 hours, and an even greater chance within the next 7 days. So I will be keeping an eye on that. Right now, it's not much but a bunch of disorganization. So, but I will be keeping an eye on that. As for what is going on right now, we have no severe thunderstorms warnings going on or watches. Pretty much all that's happening is it's just pushing out of the area, which we will have to stick around and see if anything else will develop that. But as of right now, that is basically what is going on across the United States. As you can see, there's a bunch of rain and showers there in Oklahoma, Texas. Um, and that will just begin to basically push more eastward here and then eventually fall apart. And then later on this afternoon, like I said, in Texas and Oklahoma is where everything will form. So stay tuned to the channel. I will be going live if things break out like they are expected. And that's pretty much all I got for you. So thanks so much for watching, and like and subscribe if you've not already.